Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. Welcome back to my channel, Scrapping Sylvia. And if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please like and comment. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Today is actually Sunday during the day, and it is 12:29. I figure I'd do this video early because my family's coming over later. And sometimes when they leave, I feel a little tired. So hopefully, let's get this done, right? So I hope everyone's having a wonderful Sunday afternoon with your family and friends. Today we're going to do an unboxing from Distracted by Diamonds. And it's from their spring collection. And this one is called Awakening. Okay? And it comes in this very pretty box with little diamonds. And in the back, it has the instructions step by step. And it also has pictures. All right? And I believe it has a picture. Oh, actually, hello. It has a picture right here of the painting. Okay. And this is, I believe, this is their toolkit, and it was just attached here. And it also came with a plastic bag, but I removed it. All right. So I guess to protect it while it's traveling. Oh, there's another little tape here. Actually, two. Let's get this baby open here. Let's see. Okay, there you go. Gotta be careful with these scissors. They're very sharp. All right, let's see. So this is from their spring collection. And it's by Brian Dean Rollason. There's something in here. Oh yeah, it's a washi tape. Okay. But I got this, it's from the company's Distracted by Diamonds, but I got it on Etsy from Patty Wax. Okay, so it's got a little washi tape here. This is Distracted by Diamonds. All right. So, as you can see, it comes in a plastic bag to protect it. And it's I think it's a pretty big painting, but let's open the toolkit first. What say you? Let's see, how does this go? I guess I'm just going to open it here. Careful with my fingers. Let's get this out of here. Let's see what this is. Okay, it just says empowered women. Empower women. Empower women, yeah. Okay, it has it twice. Sylvia, thanks for coming back to our little shop. We evolve your business and will continue to work hard to earn it. Oh, we value. Oh my God, what is wrong with me? Sorry about that. It's my glasses. I need new glasses, guys. We value your business and will continue to work hard to earn it. Please stop back again soon, as we're constantly adding new items for you to love. Hope to see you soon again. XOXOR. I think it's Robin. That's her name. Okay. Very nice. And it came with a little card. It says, listen, learn, and grow. I love that. It's a little pocket hug. Very cute. And I think this is Peach Magnolia Raspberry. I'm not sure if this is wax. I think it is. Let's see. Let me smell it. Let's smell this baby. Ooh, nice. Okay, gotta hide that from Grandma because she thinks everything is a candy. Now here, these are candies for Grandma. These are Tootsie Rolls in raspberry, blue raspberry. Huh. And then we have Social Justice is cool. Super and a crown. And then I guess she gave me Crystal Dazzlers in turquoise, 3842. So I guess we'll try them out. All right, very nice. Let's put all this aside. And of course, let's not forget the washi tape. All right, let's put all that aside. All right, let's bring back the painting. This is a round. It is poured glue. And it is very beautiful. Okay, let's see. The drills should be here. And there should be, oh, wait a minute. Okay, so that must have been like a little extra. I think there's a little toolkit in here. Huh. Yep. Okay, so there is a toolkit in here. And there is, I believe, a sticker sheet in there. Let's see if I can reach for it. Come on, where is it? There you go, I got it. Almost got it, almost got it. It's like stuck. Okay, there it is. All right. right, let's move this beautiful painting aside. Let's look at the toolkit. Now this is the toolkit. The other one must have been like a special goodie bag. That's what it was. Okay, so a little tray. Then you have a diamond pen. This is a single placer. And then you also have a multi-placer of 4, so you can pick 4 drills. And on the other side, you can pick 1 drill. And of course, some blue wax. So you have everything that you need. And let's not forget the washi tape. Everything that you need if you are a beginner. And if you hear little bells, that's Bella going in and out. And then I've got my mom upstairs too in the loft. She's watching some TV, so hopefully it's not that loud. Okay, so here it is. It says smile, sparkle, and repeat. And there goes the beautiful painting. It's called Awakening, Brian Dean Rollason, and it's 95 centimeters by 62 centimeters. Okay, and then of course here you have the legend. It's a sticker sheet, but in the first row it tells you there's 41 colors, and then you have in the middle are the symbols, and the symbols are what you find in the painting, and then of course the DMC code. And I believe this has 1, 2, 3, 4 Mica Mist, which is fairy dust diamonds. Okay, has a little bit of everything, as you can see in the symbols. Hopefully you can see. Let me get this a little closer. It's got a little airplane. It's got a heart, some letters, and some numbers. Yeah, very nice, very clear too. Let me bring this up so you can see the picture. Is that not gorgeous? I love it. Okay, let's put that aside. All right, and the drills. This is what's cool about the drills. It comes already in resealable bags. So it's ready actually to kit up. You don't, actually no need to kit up. That's what I meant. No need to kit up because it already comes in resealable bags. And so you could actually work straight from the baggies. Okay. So as you can see, it looks like these are, I think those are black or blue. Lots of pretty blue colors, green, yellow, lots of blues, pinks. All right, 42 colors, so maybe I'll take them out. We'll see. All right, let's bring out the beautiful painting. All right, it is poured glue. Wow, this is, wow, guys, this is huge. Oh, mamma mia. Okay, the back of the canvas, it's not very soft. Okay, it does have the scallop edges, and it also has the pinholes to protect the painting. Wow, so I'm gonna have to unroll it this way so you can see it. Oh, mamma mia. It's definitely, let's just say it's not gonna fit on my table. Okay, so you've got a legend on the left-hand side. Again, like I mentioned earlier, the first row tells you 41 colors. The symbols are in the middle. The symbols are what you find in the painting, and that's where you're gonna place your drills. And then the DMC code. And of course, it's got 4 Mica Mist. Let's see. Very, very sticky. Very nice. Okay. It's very clear. I must say it is very clear. Let's move this back here. What I love about this painting, well, let's look very on the top here. Wow, it's huge. It's huge, guys. On the top it says, Distracted by Diamonds. It's got their little logo. And then down here, it tells you the name of the painting at the bottom and the artist. So it says Awakening by Brian Dean Rollason. And let's see what's on the right hand side. Okay, I'm literally, this is what you call a comforter, guys. When it's very big, my friends and I call these comforter. And then it's got another legend on the top in the picture. All right, again, 95 by 62 centimeters. All right, so let me see if I could just show you her beautiful face. All right, it's very, very, very artistic, this painting. That's what I love about it. Very vibrant colors. She's surrounded, well, look at her big mouth, beautiful mouth, her eyes, her nose, and then all around her, she's surrounded by different shapes and different patterns, and also flowers all around her. That's what I love about it. See, look at all those flowers. Very, very perfect for the spring. Okay, lots of attention to detail. Love that. And the rendering, very clear, guys. Wow. Let me just bring this side over here. I'm just going to roll it. And this is the right-hand side. I'm sorry about the glare. Is that better? Yeah. Okay, let's see if I can just bring it up so you can see how clear it is. Let's do this here, the flower. Look how clear that is, guys. And her eyes. And let's look at her mouth. Okay, beautiful. And she has like a long neck. So, all right, I'm gonna move her aside. And let's bring out the colors very quickly. What the heck, right? We might as well show you the colors. I mean, push this chair in a little bit. Bella is literally sitting next to me. She's looking out the window. Sorry about the noise. All right, so it looks like we're gonna have, wow, these are the 410s, so it's actually black. So let's look how many bags we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, great. That was Bella. It's okay. 6 bags of 310, which is black. I'm gonna move this aside. Let's see what we have here. I think these are in order, actually. So we're gonna go backwards. So this is 3766, which is a very pretty blue. I'm gonna bring the lamp over here again so you can see it better. Like a turquoise. I think you can see it right there. This one is 959. It's like a blue-green. This is 907. And by the way, these are, I just noticed, these last 4 here are the color mist, which is the fairy dust diamonds. So this is 444. Very pretty yellow. Look at these colors, guys. Wow. Perfect for the summer or for the spring. And this is actually their spring collection. And okay, this is the regular drills now. 3852. It's like a mustard color. This is another blue-green. And this one's 3848. Another blue. Lots of blues in this painting, guys. 3846, which I love, love, love blues. I'm just going to slide this down so we have room. All right. Let's move this over here. All these things out of the way. Let's bring this bag over here. Okay. And this one is 3765. Another blue. A lighter blue, 3756. Another blue, 3750. Okay, can you see that? I hope you can see it. 3752. Another blue, 3705. 3609. It's like a pink purple. 3607. That's like a pink. 3047. A very, very light pale yellow. And 996, another blue. Yep. This one is 977. This is sort of like a mustard color. Another blue-green, 964. 958, that's another green. And 947 looks like an orange. Then you have 938. It's like a chocolate brown. 898, which is another lighter brown. This is 832. This is like a mustard color. Oh, look at how pretty this is. And this is 890, sort of like a pine green. Okay, let's get rid of this bag for now. This one is 823. It's blue. 807, another blue. 780. 743. It's like a yellow. Okay, these are in the green family. 704. 702. Ooh, this is sage. 647. I love this color. 565, 64. It's like another blue, green. I'm just gonna put it there. Hopefully you can see it. This one is 550. It's a purple. This is another pretty one, 413. This is like a blue gray. 371. This is like a red orange. 347. 304. And the last two, 159, which is like a gray, and 152, like a peachy color, sort of peachy apricot. So hopefully you can see them all. I think you can see them all in there. All right, so those are all the colors. Very, very bright colors. And like I said, perfect for the spring, which spring is around the corner. Okay, and then of course it had the 310s. All right, so those are all the colors. Just gonna bring back the painting. Usually I say let's look to see where the those 4 mists, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I already have the 4 aside, the 4 mist colors, Mica Mist, and we're gonna figure out where they belong. And this basically has like a little mica embedded in the drill, so it makes it a little like a soft, subtle shine to it, which is nice. All right, so this one is the L, which is 444. It's a very beautiful yellow. So I already see it here. L is so clear, it's so big that you could actually see where all these special drills go. You have them here. They're actually a little bit of everywhere. Everywhere you see that yellow color. It's on the petals. It's on all of the designs, different designs. It's over here. Okay, so it looks like it's all wherever you see that yellow. Now I want to see it's over here also on her eye. Okay, I'm not sure if those are like decorations on top of her eyes. Oh, it has to be, right? Okay, and then over here, same thing. It's gonna be all over this beautiful big flower, and we see glare again. Yeah, so everywhere you see that beautiful bright yellow. Okay, so it's gonna be on her cheek, on here, on the eye, and all over the flowers in all the different shapes. All right, so let's bring out the other one. The other one is 907, which is a very pretty green. And I'm looking at the legend, and it says it's an S. Okay, again, it's scattered everywhere, guys. A little bit of everywhere. Not there. Oh, over here on the leaf. There's a lot of yellow there. I mean, green. Let's see. On this side, the same thing. It's basically scattered on the leaf, on the leaves. Okay. All right, then the next one, wow, very pretty. This one is 959, and that is going to be letter P. So wherever we see letter P, and again, it's going to be here on her eye. Let's see where else. We have some over here. All the different shapes and patterns. Yeah, it's going to be scattered everywhere, guys. The same thing. I guess it's going to be with the 4 of them. Let's see, any over here. I believe this is maybe a flower. It's a very pretty blue. Okay, and then the last one, another very pretty blue, but just a lighter blue. And that's going to be number 5. Again, it's going to be there. Not sure if that's a flower. We have some here on the blue leaves, all over there. Again on the eye, some on the eye, some on her nose, some around her lips, around her face. The leaves, I think those are leaves, not sure, or decorations. Okay, so it's all around. Wow, I like that it's dispersed in different places. You know, it's not concentrated in one place, which is, you know, absolutely stunning. All right, guys, well, I hope you would love her as much as I do, and have a wonderful rest of the week, and thank you, and bye-bye.